Tyler Select Total Belts Pro tag with 2017 Mazda BT-50 stock number 7147. It's ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. Has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine picked by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch aftermarket wheel big tyre. Left rear 17-inch aftermarket wheel big tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,